What's the best Nikon camera you should get if you're a beginner in photography? You'll need something affordable, easy to use, and something that you can work with over time to create better shots as you improve. With a Nikon camera, you can't go wrong for a high-quality product that's worth its value. That's not to say they're cheap. Don't get me wrong. These things can be expensive, but you can also find some cheaper options on the market, especially if you're a beginner and don't need all the high-tech image capturing abilities. In general, Nikon cameras are known for their larger sensors, which provide better image quality and low-light performance. They usually offer longer battery life and more accurate autofocus systems, making them ideal for those just starting out in photography. Models like the Nikon D3500, Z50, and 30 are particularly popular among beginners because they are affordable, lightweight, and have a simple user interface. Here we have the Nikon Z50. This is a mirrorless camera with excellent performance with great value for money. It's also regarded by a lot of people as the best value Nikon camera for beginners. It hosts a 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor that's powered by the Expeed 6 image processor. It has an excellent autofocus system with 209 points and an ISO range of 100 to 50, 1200. The Z50 can shoot continuously at 11 FPS with continuous autofocus, and it can record 4K video up to 30 frames per second. Bear in mind that comes with a 1.5 times crop. With an excellent viewfinder and 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen display, it's a great choice for vloggers and an all-in feature for reviewing footage. Using the Nikon Z lens mount, you can find high-quality lenses that fit the Z50. Despite these features, it weighs just 450 grams and has dimensions of 127 by 94 by 60 millimeters, making it a portable option for photographers. The battery life is not bad either, at up to around 300 shots per one charge, and it takes around 2.5 hours to charge from empty. However, with video, you'll only get up to 75 minutes on one charge. Overall, the Z50 also offers numerous special effects for both stills and video, making it a great choice for beginners. But pricing is not the cheapest. They can be around $1,000 from new. If you don't mind buying them used, you can pick one up from under $500 on mpb.com, and it's supposed to be in excellent condition. On the website, you can also trade in your old equipment if you're wanting to upgrade or sell it. You can find that and all other links in our description below.
And to add to that, just earlier this month, the Nikon Z52 was released. It's also an amazing camera for beginners. It improves on the Z50 with a more advanced Expeed 7 processor, offering better autofocus with subject detection for 9 types, faster shooting at up to 30 frames per second in electronic shutter mode, and enhanced video capabilities, including 4K at 60 frames per second and 10-bit N-Log recording. The Z52 also features a brighter electronic viewfinder and added connectivity like a headphone jack for audio monitoring. But with all that packed into its relatively compact housing, the battery life is still slightly shorter. Not to mention the price being more expensive, as you would expect. With everything the original Z50 packs, it's still an amazing choice for beginners. And now's the best time to get some amazing deals on them. Thanks for watching, and we hope you can join us in our next video.